This is a 2017 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum. Four-wheel drive with a 6.2-liter V8 engine, has power running boards, black leather interior, Bose sound system. This one comes with all sorts of features. Those front seats are massage seats also. Your center console, this one has just over 112,000 miles on the odometer. Steering wheel with the heated steering wheel and adaptive cruise control. You have your climate controls, cup holders that do have cooled options with your cooler in the middle to keep those drinks cold. This one does come with built-in navigation and of course your backup camera. Up top you do get a nice sunroof as well. In the back it does have the DVD entertainment system, captain seats. They also do have their own climate controls in the back with heated captain's chairs. There's that third row. And in the back, plenty of trunk space in this one. Extra storage in the bottom, and you do have the power fold third row. Come check this one out at Next Level Auto in Hillsboro.